훌륭한 농부가 되는 게 제 꿈이죠. 아버지는 농촌이 자꾸 고령화된다. 젊은 귀농 청년들이 경험이 부족하다. 그러시면서 늘 걱정이 많으시죠. 아유, 똑똑한 사람이 세상에 얼마나 많은데 방법이 있지 않겠시요?
I think I'm the climate change, the water scarcity, the growing population, the waste, and yeah, we have to change.
Because of the world needs more food, needs more people to grow, and that's why the new techniques like artificial intelligence are needed to feed the world in the end.
So the opening of the windows goes automatically, the heating system comes in when it's too cold and things like that. And that is a really, really big change.
Labor unavailability is becoming more and more a problem in production in agriculture. So we are hoping to replace as many as possible the human labor with robotic systems who can do these often very repetitive tasks.
아버지, 가방 좀 줘봐요. 좀 댕겨올게요. 귀농 청년들이랑 함께 다녀올게요.